This book will show you how to turn your imagination into an idea factory and access creativity whenever you need it. You can't see the imagination, but everybody has one. Visual artists and writers seem to have ones with all the bells and whistles. Your imagination has three distinct levels, which make it hum. The idea department. This is the first level of your imagination, and it percolates with ideas and fragments of ideas. In the idea department, things are not seen as they are, but as they could be. Everything evolves into something else, which then evolves into something further. Because it's dreamy, it tends to wander. It needs direction. You also need to know when to put the brakes on a good idea before it changes so much that it loses its original spark. The editorial department, the second level, is an essential part of a well-run imagination. When your mind is in editing mode, it neither likes nor dislikes your art. It simply makes the call as to whether an idea works. Without it, you would love everything you did to your detriment. Fortunately, we all have one of these. Unfortunately, we don't always make sufficient use of it. The contracting department, the last level of your imagination. This gathers material from the first two departments and pulls it together in a way that is pleasing to both the viewer and the artist. Develop this department. It can become one of your greatest assets. Your imagination comes with great gifts, but it's imperfect. These departments don't always like to play together. You need to create a working collaboration. Your imagination needs you as much as you need it.